Hi everybody, this tutorial is presented from knowledgespender.com. Today I am going to show you how to add two numbers in C programming. Okay, for that open your gedit, save the file, give it a name. Suppose in this case I am giving the name sum to number. Okay, .c, save it. Now type your code here, hash include studio.h int main here. The hash include is by including the header file studio.h. and the main function is the function from where the C program execution starts, and this int means the return type of main function is integer. As we know, every function should have a return type. Here in this case the main will return an integer value, hence the return type is integer. Okay, then int n1 comma n2 and the sum. Here I have declared three variables. One is n1, n2 and the last one is sum. The type of the variable is integer type. That means this variable can hold integer values. Got it? Okay. Then we are going to show the user a message. To enter two integer number. Okay. For that, printf enter two integer number. Here this printf is also a function, and this function definition resides in different location. Here this is the main is also a function, and the main is user defined function. Sometimes you may be asked that what type of function main is. Main is actually a user defined function. Why and how it is user defined function? It is user defined function because whatever definition resides in the main function, we define all of them. This is why this is a user defined function, not a inbuilt function. Got it? But the printf function is an inbuilt function. The prototype of this inbuilt function resides in studio.h header file. Hence we have included the studio.h header file. in this program. Got it? So to include any external files in C, we have to use include, hash include. Got it? Okay. Now scanf %d %d %n1 and %n2. So what will happen? The printf function will show the message entered to number. Why this scanf function is used? The scanf function is used to take values from keyboard. Got it? That means when the user will enter two values, these two values will be stored in variable n1 and n2. Where is this %d and %d over here? These are format specifiers. These format specifiers determine which type of value this variable will contain. In case of integer type variable, always you have to enter %d as the format specifier. Okay. Then sum equal to n1 plus n2. So here sum is a variable and n1 plus n2, that means whatever the user will enter, this will be stored in n1 and n2, and here these two values will be added and the result will store in sum. Okay, so now we have to show the result. That means we have to print the result. So printf the sum of %d and %d equal to %d n1 n2 and sum. So the first %d refers to the first number after the comma, and the second number the second one, and so on. So here the output will be the sum of %d, that is the value of n1, and %d, that is the value of n2, and %d, that is the total sum of n1 and n2. Then return 0. Why is this return 0? As we know, every function should have a return type. Here we have mentioned that the return type of main is integer, and every function is being called by some other function. Here in this case, the main function is called by the operating system, and if a function is called by another function, the function which is calling the main function is called as calling function, and the function which has been called is known as called function. Here in this case, the main is called function. Who has called the main function? The operating system. So the main function should return a value to the operating system. Hence we have returned 0. There is the main function will return 0 to the operating system. That's all. Simple. Now save the file. Open your terminal. Enter into the folder where you have saved the file. Here I have saved the file in C directory, which is under desktop. So cd desktop C sum to number dot c. Now we have to compile the source code to execute it. To compile the source program into executable program, we have to use gcc, then the file name, .c, then another file name for the executable file. Then press enter. Okay, now you can see the executable file has been created. Now to run the file, we have to enter ./ then file name. Enter. So enter two integer number. Suppose in this case I have entered 5 and 7. Press enter. So the sum of 5 and 7 is equal to 12. This is the output. Okay, that's all. Thank you.